Okay, hello everyone. Today I will cover chapter 14 about the IT for business. Okay, alright. This chapter we discuss about the impact of the IT and then the IT resources, the role of information system, trade and trace of information technology, and how the business can protect their business. So information technology is the various appliances and device for creating, storing, exchanging, and using the information in diverse mode, including image, voice, multimedia, and business data. So because of the impact of the IT nowadays, most of the business go for the e-commerce where they use the internet or the others electronic platform, okay, for dealing the business transaction. And then the business also create the portable office where they can remove the employees from everywhere, and then it will improve the service to the consumer, is become more efficient, and then it create a more efficient organization where it can improve the customer satisfaction, and then it also will increase the collaboration, okay, with the others IT communication device. And then the company also go for the global exchange where they do the collaboration with the others company which is in the others country. And then it provide the management process, improve the management process where we have the software that will support in terms of the business decision making, okay, and then flexibility for the customization where the customer can customize their product since we have a good system, okay, to cater their demands. And then it also provide the new business opportunity, and also it will improve the world and the other society life, okay, where the advanced technology can diagnose and can improve the diagnose technique, okay, some of the disease and so on. Okay, so when we use the international the information technology, so definitely we need to use the internet and the other communication resources. So internet is the system that we use to connect the computer with the network, okay, that we link by voice, electronic and wireless technology. Okay, so when you search the your website, so we use the World Wide Web, okay, as a branch, okay, to of the internet that is consists of the hypertext, document, web page, and so on. So when the customer want to transfer, okay, want to share the link, okay, then the link will become a hypertext transfer protocol, okay, which is they use the information, okay, from the separate page to connect using the hyperlink. So in the internet, we have internet, intranet, and extranet. So intranet, where it can be accessed by the employee within the organization, while the extranet, which is it can allow the outsider to access, okay, in the company network. Okay, so in the internet also provide the electronic conferencing, which is it allow the group of people to communicate simultaneously via email, phone call, video conference, and so on. So when we want to use the internet, definitely we have to have the satellite as to transmit the signal, okay, from the one person to another person. So when the satellite receive the signal, then we can exchange the voice, video, and the data. All right. So in the computer network, okay, with a group or more, group two or more computer that link together, okay, using cable or wireless technology to share the data and the resources, for example, like printer. Okay, when you have the client service, so when network, which is where the client requests, okay, the information or the resources, and the server provide the service. Okay, for example, like MMU Wi-Fi. Okay, in order to use another Wi-Fi, so you have to log in order to request, in order to use the MMU Wi-Fi, so you have to log in your ID and also the password. Then only the server will allow you to use the Wi-Fi. Alright. Okay, so in the computer, okay, we have hardware and software. Okay, hardware is means that the physical component of the computer, for example, like monitor, keyboard, printer. Software, which is the program or application that we use, that we install in the computer in order to use it, okay, for the specific activities. Okay, so and then in the information technology, Okay, we have the information system is the resources to convert the data. Okay, information to collect, process, and transmit the information for use to use in the decision making. So data is the pool of the information. Okay, the raw information that do not have any meanings. Okay, so from the pool of the data, then we need to uh, okay, we need to filter it out, and then it will become the information. So information is the data that is meaningful, and then it is useful for us to interpret the data. Okay, and so in the information system, the person that will in charge for the information system is the information system manager, which is the responsible to use the system and then together organize and distribute the information. So in the information system, we have a data warehouse, which is the collection, storage, and retrieval the data in the electronic files. In the data mining, which is the application of electronic technology for search, shifting, and reorganize the pool of the data to uncover useful information. Okay, so from the data warehouse, then we try to filter it out. So we try to extract which information that is relevant for us to use. Then it will become the data mining. Okay, in the knowledge information system, it supports the knowledge of the worker by providing the resources to create, store, use, and transmit the new knowledge for the useful application. So in the manufacturing, they will use two systems, which is the first one is computer aided design, and second one is computer manufacturing design. Computer aided design, which is the software that we use to design the product, okay, for the prototype, and then when we decided or management decided to produce it, then only we transfer the design from CAD to CAM, computer aided manufacturing. So in the computer aided manufacturing, which is it will control all the equipment, okay, to manufacture the design that is exactly that we already installed, okay, in the software. For the management part, okay, we have the management information system that will support the manager in providing the information, for example, like report, schedule, budget, okay, for the decision making purposes. Another system we use is the decision support system, which is the system that create the virtual business model, okay, in order to support the decision making process. So they will do all the tests, okay, they will collect all the data, okay, and then the different data, so when we key in the different data, then we will see how the system will respond. Okay, in the business, definitely we have the risk. Okay, we have the risk, which is IT risk, and the threat, okay, that will affect to the business. So the first one, the risk is the hackers, which is the cyber criminal, okay, that has unauthorized access to our computer. Okay, and then the second one is the identity thief, which is unauthorized person use our personal information, okay, for example, like credit card number for monetary benefit. And then intellectual property, which is another person can imitate our product for the commercial value. So in the others IT software, IT risk and threat also we have the spyware, okay, which is the program that you download by the user, okay, to the monitor, and then they will trace whatever the transaction that we will do in the using the computer. Okay, for example, your password, email address, credit card number, and so on. And then as the another one is the spam. Okay, spam is the junk email, which is the mass mail. Okay, they're sent out to all the recipient, and then the email is more on the mass emailing. Okay, and then how do we going to protect with this threat and also the risk? First, company can do the firewall, okay, can install the firewall, which is the security system using the special software, okay, to keep the computer safe from the hackers. Second one, we also can install the antivirus software, okay, in order to protect the system from the incoming email, okay, from the various viruses, okay, and so on. And then the third one, we can use the encryption. That way we can use the encryption system. So in the encryption system, we provide the passcode or the password, okay, for certain document that is confidential through the email, okay, so that only the respective person can open the file. Alright, so that is only in chapter